What is going on, YouTube? I am really excited today because I finally received the package I've been waiting for over half a year. This took me legitimately over half a year to get, and it's finally here, and I'm so excited to open this up because I haven't even checked it yet. So I got it cut open, pretty well packaged. I ordered this from Bav Mods, and here we got some foam. Some more foam, and here are all the pieces. They look well packaged. Let me pull them all out, and here are all the pieces we got. This is the center trim, some other stuff, looks like the door trims. So in total we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pieces. I'm gonna start with this one because I know this is the vent, one of the vents, the left vents, and I'm gonna install my P3 gauge inside here. This is the first one I want to do. About to see it for the first time. Here it is. Let's see. Oh wow, that is made really nice, and it feels super premium. Nice, really nice. There's some light on it, and you can see that's like perfect weave on all sides. Wow, that's gonna look so nice in the car because I'm finally getting rid of the wrap and everything's gonna match with this. Oh man, I am so excited. So I'm about to just open up everything else just so we can see how it's laid out. Here's a center console piece, and let's look at it together. Oh man, this looks insane. Literally perfect. I don't see a single imperfection on this. It just looks, man, it just looks so nice. And the fact that this can just swap in without any modifications, that amazes me. So it's pretty funny. I didn't know it's gonna come with this whole thing, but this part I guess came in with the entire assembly. And this looks really nice. There's a small little imperfection. I can't even see it with the light on, but somewhere. But overall looks really good. So let's get to the rest. Here's another piece I'm super excited for, and let's check it out. Oh my gosh, this looks so insane. And I'm so glad that there's like not a single imperfection on it. This is a main piece that goes in the front. All these parts just look so nice, and they feel so premium. They're made out of like metal or something. Yeah, this is literally metal. But a couple more pieces to go. These are just the door trims, and those I actually never wrapped, so I'll be glad to see how the difference it makes. But let's get on. We have all the pieces unwrapped, and just look at this. Literally perfect, not a single imperfection. Super smooth gloss carbon fiber, really smooth. All the weaves look the same. Wow, for 750 bucks or whatever I paid for, I don't think you can find a better deal. Here's another look at all of these. I'm gonna see if I can swap this tray onto mine because I don't want to do all this wiring. But if not, then it's no big deal. I don't use this cigarette lighter port either way. But everything looks good. Let's start with the main. Let's start with these and the center console. Beautiful weather here in Washington. Hopefully it won't rain, but car is looking a little dirty. But let's check out our trim that we have right now. So we have this wrapped. This was never wrapped, so I'm super excited. You even got the rear pieces for here. We got a P3 gauge installed. I didn't do a video on that, but it was super simple. I'll show that maybe in this video. This center console, that piece, and seems to be it. Oh yeah, and this obviously. But yeah, let's start by pulling. Let's do the top first. So let's pull those out and that one out. I'm so excited because the trim is gonna match so much of the carbon fiber parts, like this, the handle, this, all this trim here. It's all gonna match up. And I actually ordered some more carbon fiber parts. So I ordered actual carbon fiber genuine, this piece here, and actual genuine carbon fiber piece for the key here. So, and it's gonna match the steering wheel. Everything should look crazy. So I'm not gonna show how to remove the trim because it's fairly easy. All you do is pry from one edge. I could probably do it from my hands right here, like that, and then you just keep slowly prying it off and it'll pop out. So here we got the trim removed. I'm gonna start one by one, and what we gotta do is take out this vent and that vent. I have this already here and this. So yeah, it should be pretty easy. Couple bolts, and then she just goes directly on the new one. Honestly guys, it doesn't get easier than that. This piece took me literally like 2 minutes. Just pop the tabs out, unscrew little screws, and then just pull it up. Be gentle with it so you don't break any of the tabs, but I think we could just directly swap this in now. So let's try it out. I got it just set on top right here. I think I'll be able to just snap in. So I actually snapped in super easily, and you can hear each little thing click. Now what we gotta do is screw these down super easily, just like that. We got one side of the vent done. This one, same thing. This one, you wanna kind of bring this side into these little slots. If I could get this. Basically, yeah, kind of like that. And then these should click into this tab, and everything else should just snap. Everything snapped in super easily, and look at that. Looks so good already. All we gotta do, snap this piece in. I'm not gonna do that yet. We can check it out how it's gonna look, but I won't snap it in, but that's how it's gonna look. Looks really good. I wish they made a carbon fiber ring like that. That would be awesome, but this piece should just snap in also like that, and it's gonna look like that. So let's go install it. Take a look at it in the day. Looks so nice, premium. Looks awesome. Just wow, guys. Look at that. Perfect fitment. Looks absolutely ridiculous. So glad. It doesn't really match this weave, but I mean, at least it's going in the same direction. So this weave is a little thicker, but just look at that. Sits perfectly. It kind of sticks out a little bit, but that's mainly because of the lighting I have on the bottom, but you can't even tell. But oh my gosh, can't believe it took this long to get it, and looks so nice. But let's go on with this piece. I had to leave this part in here because I forgot I have it wired all the way down to the bottom, so I'm gonna leave this here for now. And while I'm doing this, I bought a new theme for the cluster, so I have a USB somewhere in here. I'm gonna update it real quick while I'm doing that. But here's this piece. Let's go bring the new one in. So here's the fake carbon fiber wrap I have. It doesn't look bad, but wow, compared to the real carbon fiber, day and night difference. So guys, this looks absolutely awesome. We got two pieces installed. I'm gonna go on to this main one here, the center console, and then all the other pieces. But if you guys are interested on this P3 gauge, let me know, because I have an 07 model, and a couple months ago I spoke to a dude from P3 Gauges, and he told me that basically there's no plug and play models for the 07 models and under, but I actually found one, and this one's OBD, plug and play, goes directly in there. And the only thing I had to do is the boost, which I bought a boost sensor and tapped it into basically my blow off valve vacuum, and it shows boost, and everything looks good. So let's go on to this one. Easily just pulled off this piece. There it is, and everything looks clean there. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, maybe vacuum it up, and let's install the new one. This blends in so perfectly now with the rest of the carbon. It looks a little different, but I think that makes it a little neat. Still has that same carbon fiber shine. It looks so good. And now we just gotta pop on our, I'm gonna clean this off a little bit, and it just pops on. And just look at that. Looks so nice, so modern, love it. Now we gotta figure out this piece. I'll try swapping it over. If not, I guess we gotta put in that one. Holy shit, guys. This piece took me like at least 30 minutes to pull out. And I don't know what the hell, how they made it, but it was just impossible. Those pins. Basically, I'm not gonna put anything in here. I actually have a cord I might bring in through here. So this piece snaps, boom, just like that. Looks good, and let's put it in there. Here, guys, you can see the piece is fully complete. Looks so awesome. All we gotta do is just put it back in. All right, guys, center console piece is on, and it just looks so nice. Everything matches. Sat in perfectly, no issues. I couldn't tuck this in, it was in the way, but I'm gonna hide it behind there. But overall, yeah, it looks so good. Next off, I think what we got left is the doors, and that's it. Everything looks super neat now. And that wire, can't really see it from this angle, but I'm gonna do a little better job hiding it here. Gotta tuck it behind this piece. But overall, looks really good. Let's move on to the doors. The door trim popped off really easily. Looks clean. So now we just gotta grab the new one and swap it in. And here it is, and oh man, that looks so nice. Fitting perfectly. Looks awesome. Now we just gotta do this piece back here, right here, and I'm pretty sure I could just snap it off real quick through here. Yeah, that was extremely easy to pop off. Let's go swap it out. Easily got this one installed, and just look at that. Looks freaking awesome. Same with this one. When the color drops on, it looks insane. And we just need the other side, and we should be good. All right, guys, I got that side installed back there too. Super easy. And overall, I give this trim a 10 out of 10. Honestly, no complaints at all. It's literally made perfect. Whoever made it, they packaged it really well. The finish looks crazy good. Here's another look at it. I'll give it another look at night with a flash on so you can see the full carbon fiber effect. But man, it finished my interior. Last thing I need is the black headliner, but that's in the future. Overall, man, it doesn't feel real to me that it's literally legit carbon fiber, but sweet. I'll do some clips later. Another simple, very aesthetic product we have in this box. I ordered it on AliExpress for about $15. And of course, it's carbon fiber. Let me open up the car. And it's gonna be this gas cover. So let me open this up. Authentic carbon fiber, super cheap, $15. And it should just go right on there. So we're gonna pull it off, clean it a little bit, and then apply the adhesive and just stick it on. It is now cleaned up. I put some alcohol on it so it's degreased. Now it should be able to I'm gonna test fit it real quick and let's see. Fits like butter. Literally perfect. So let's peel off the adhesive and stick it on. And just that simple, it's on there now. And it's not gonna have to move, so we just, boom, it's attached. Maybe I'll flip the other way. Doesn't really matter, you'll probably never see it, but it's a little nice aesthetic piece for $15. And it's just gonna sit there like that. It looks pretty good. I turned this little screen so it's facing up, and now it's kind of in an angle, which looks pretty nice. So there we go. I wish they came with a carbon fiber, I wish they sold one of these carbon fiber lids, but I guess not. But overall, that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any questions about the P3 gauge. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.